Hey guys, um, today, let's see what happened today. So, I got awakened by my mother of her telling me to take my medicine. I don't like medicine. And then she goes, well, if you don't like medicine, then don't get sick. And I'm like, but you got me sick. That's an F for me. A big F. And then after that, went back to sleep. I'm literally a very boring person. But after that, went back to sleep. Then got ready. I'm so boring. Um. Oh, then I called up this restaurant that's near me, and I ordered a chicken soup. And that chicken soup was banging, banging. And then I caught the bus, went to work early, and then I worked, got an extra 30 minutes in. Um, and then after that, it was basically time for me to go home. And you know that feeling when you just feel like something's gonna happen wrong. So I'm asking my manager for a bag check, so she could check my bag and I could leave and go catch the bus and go home. And right after the bag check, I walk outside that door and I just see the bus riding right past, like right past. And I'm just like, you know? Like, that's like so annoying. Because on top of that, the bus app wasn't even working. The bus app wasn't even working. So I'm just like, and then like, I was just like, forget it. Because I know, like, once that first bus come, another one's not coming anytime soon. So I'm like, I bet I got a promo on Lyft. I'm going to just use my promo on Lyft and call it a day. Tell me why my Lyft pulled up. No, tell me why I'm about to walk out of the store. And as my Lyft is pulling up, I see another bus come past. And I'm just like, are you for real right now? Like, are you serious? I was just like, screw it. Now I just got something to talk about on my vlog today. I was just like, I just wanted to talk about these apps that I'm receiving. Like, I could have saved some money, but now I'm not saving no money because the app didn't even want to show the bus route that it was coming. I could have waited, but I was like, you know what? I know it's going to take a long time, so I'm going to just call this Lyft. But anyways, guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. I'm out.